Hi friends, come on, let's learn how to add sound effects to video or how to add sound effect on Capcut. Many friends has message and voice on Facebook how to add sound effect on Capcut. Let's go start. Okay, I add this video and I start to play. See here. Then we start here. Then we go to sound and effect. Then here is so many sound effect trending, more translation, so many effect here. This is a trending. Then we go to trending here, then add the PO in here, this one. Then add this here plus icon, this one add. See here, then we play this. Okay, then again 2 times we touch this, then go to coffee here. Okay, coffee. Then I will play this. Okay, 2 times like this, and here we're making here. Okay, okay. Then we go to play again now. 3 times. Then again here toss. Go to coffee again. Okay. Then we play this. Yes. Then here. Okay, here hand. See here. Then we go to sound effect. Then we write here. We can search, enter a sound name to speech here. We can search here also, and we touch here. Then we sound what's home. Yes, you yum home. Then this one interrogative sounds and search here. Okay, then search so many. Then here is a see. Then we add this sound. Okay, then again play this. Yes, little bit is the fast here. Okay, adjust the sound. Okay, see. Then again innoing here. See here, touching here. Okay, here backside, touch here. Then this one innoing again, go effect. Then go to this one. On. Okay, see, and right touch here plus icon. Again play. 3 times here also. We touch this and 3 times we copy here. 1. Again here. 2. Again go to play. Then adjust it. Yes, this one also little bit here. Same size. Yes. Again we play this. Yes. Here is a clamp. You see here. Okay, here. Then we again go to effect. Then here we go to downside. Then see the clap. Okay, while the clap we can see here clap sound. This is a clap sound. See, then we add this. Again we play this video. Yes. Then here this one here. Then again go to sound effect and beep sound. We go to see beep sound. BEEP beep sound. See here we got here beep sound. beep sound. We play this. See here again we add this and play again. Yes, this one so long. We touch this, then we adjust here. Okay, again play this video. Okay, here. Okay, keep it here. Okay, just here. Then again play this. Yes, very good. Then fart sound here is, see, here is drama. So we go to again effect, then go to fart. What is the fart sound? We go again. Here is sound of fart. See here. Okay, then we add this. Again we go to plate. Yes. Then this one. Okay. Yes. Again we go to here. This one jumping. Then we go to sound. Then yes. Then I download the sound effect free copyright. Then go to here and go to from device. We touch the from device. Then here is I download the so many copyright free sound. Yes, this is sound. Yes, this is very good. So I add. Then we play this video again. Yes, so long this one. Then we touch the sound and cut out here. Then split again right side delete out. Okay, I play this. Yes, a little bit we bring here. We adjust properly. Okay, here. Then yes, then I go to play again now. Yes. Yes, very good. We can make like this. Here is also little bit we make. Yes. Again we go to play. Two times only. Three times. And here we keeping here. Okay, here. Then we go to play this. Okay, again go start to play. Yes, very good. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget like, subscribe, then hit the nearest notification bell icon. Thank you. See you again.